everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Dito lang sa Teacher Florin TV. Today, we have Mathematics 5 with the lesson Visualizing Percent. For our today's topic, let us learn Visualizing Percent for Mathematics 5 Quarter 3, Week 1. Here are the objectives. First, visualize percent and its relationship to fractions, ratios, and decimal numbers using models. 2. Write percent in decimal numbers, ratios, and fractions. And third, appreciate the relationship of percent to decimal, ratio, and fractions. To begin with, let us answer Learning Task 1. Here, you have to count the boxes first in order to determine the answers. Based on the figure shown, what percent is the shaded portion? 2. Which is the correct illustration for 8/12? Which decimal represents the shaded part? What percent is shaded in this figure? For number 5, what fraction is the shaded portion? For number 6, what fraction is represented by the stars? 7. If Smileys has a fraction of 24/100, what is its equivalent in decimal form? 8. What fraction is being illustrated by the sun? 9. What percent is the diamond in the figure? 10. What fraction is equivalent for the purple hearts? Moving on with our topic, let us define what is percent. A percent is a number or ratio that represents a fraction of 100. It is often denoted by this symbol. For example, 35% is equivalent to the decimal 0.35 or the fraction 35/100. You can now visualize percent and its relationships to fractions, ratios, and decimals. Thus, percent is a ratio of a number to 100. A ratio can be written as a fraction, and a fraction can be written as a decimal. So, visualizing percent using models and decimals would be very easy for you. Now, let us have this example. Arthur traveled 32 kilometers in 4 hours. What time in hours to the distance is the ratio of his travel in kilometers? The ratio of time to distance can be written as 4:32 or 4/32. This is how it is illustrated in this given figure. As you can see, there are 4 shaded squares which are colored red, and out of the total number of squares, which is 32. Note that the fraction form of 4:32 is 4/32 or 1:8. To find the ratio of time to distance, 4:32 equals 1:8, meaning for every hour Arthur travels 8 kilometers. In order to find out the ratio of distance to time, 32:4 or 8:1, meaning Arthur travels 8 kilometers every hour. It is now time to do activity 1, direction. Write each fraction in decimal form and in percent. Round off the decimals to the nearest hundred. For activity 2, provide the ratio and fraction of each of the following illustrations. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.